Hello students, let us see star to delta transformation in this class. Star to delta transformation. In the last class we have seen delta to star transformation. Let us have a quick glance on delta to star transformation for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we'll continue with the star to delta transformation. In delta to star transformation is our objective is to find RA, RB, RC. Already we have seen in the previous videos how to find this RA, RB and RC. So before proceeding to the star to delta transformation, let's have a look on this 5, 6, 7. If you look at fifth equation, here you are having common terms. RAB is repeated. You are having RAB in numerator and in denominator. RCA in numerator and denominator. It means that if you replace this RAB, RCA in terms of RBC and individual RA, RB, RC, then you will get your RBC value. Similarly, if you replace this RBC and RAB, RBC and RAB, RBC is common, RAB is common. If you replace this RBC and RAB in terms of RCA, you will get RCA equation. That what we are going to do is we are going to transform star to delta in the next class. That's why we are just I am giving an intimation. Like in RA we are having a single term is repeated for 2 times. RAB is repeated 2 times, RCA is repeated 2 times and the non-repeated term is RBC. We are going to focus on this RBC in the next video. And let us have a conclusion for delta to star transformation. Easy way to remember delta to star transformation is any arm of del star. This is a arm of star, arm of star, arm of star. Any arm of star is equal to product of 2 adjacent arms in delta by sum of arms in delta. So this is a easy way to remember delta to star transformation. That is RA is equal to product of RAB and RCA by sum of RAB, RBC, RCA. Similarly, RB equal to product of adjacent arms RAB, RBC by sum. And RC is product of RCA, RBC by sum. So this is your conclusion for delta to star transformation. If you have done with delta to star transformation, it is very easy for star to delta transformation by using the formulas which we have obtained in delta to star transformation. That equations only we are going to use in star to delta transformation. Already we have seen equation for RA. RA is equal to RAB into RCA by RBC. RAB into RCA by sum of these individual resistances. Now we are going to consider star to delta transformation. In star to delta transformation, already in the previous class we got these equations 5, 6, 7. By using this 5, 6, 7 only, we are going to find star to delta transformation. What we are going to do? In this, for getting your RBC, let us take this one. First of all, you need to do 5 by 6 and 5 by 7. Division. In the delta transformation, what you have done? 2 minus 3 plus 4, 3 minus 4 plus 2, 4 minus 2 plus 3. In this, we are going to do 5 by 6, 5 by 7. 5 is nothing but your equation for RA. And 6 is nothing but equation for your RB. And this is your equation for RC. It means that we are going to divide RA with RB, RA with RC. From that, by doing RA, that is a 5 by 6, you will get one equation, and 5 by 7, you will get one more equation. By using those equations, we are going to find RBC. So, similarly, if I want to get, and in the next step, what you have to do is, you have to divide 6 with 5 and 6 with 7 to get one more arm. And to get your RCA, you have to divide with 7 with 5 and 7 with 6. So no need to get in a hurry. Let us have 5 by 6 and 5 by 7. So by doing 5 by 6, what is your 5? 5 is nothing but your RA and 6 is your RB. Just we are doing division, that is of RA is divided with RB. By dividing RA with RB, you will get RCA by RBC. Just do it yourself. Just RA is nothing but here for RA, the denominator is common. Here also denominator is common. So denominator will get cancelled. So let us have a look. So for your convenience, just I am taking RA is equal to RA by RB. RA by RB is equal to RA is nothing but this one, that is RA adjacent of this one RAB. This is delta to star transformation. We have seen this equation RAB RCA by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This is your RA. And what is your RB? RB is nothing but this is your RB. Adjacent are RAB, RBC. RAB, RBC by RAB. So these are all from delta to cross transformation. We got these equations RBC. By using 5 and 6 only we are writing, it is not a new. So if you have observed, this term and this term is common and RAB is common. So the remaining terms of RCA by RBC. Uchina ikkada RAB by RB equal to RCA by RBC. That is your equation number 8. And already I have said that in RA you are having a common term, that is RA is equal to RAB into RCA by RAB plus RBC and RCA. So here repeated terms of RAB, RCA and RCA, and non-repeated term is RBC. So try to get a equation which is repeated. RCA. So from this eighth equation, RA by RB equal to RCA by RBC. So among this one is RCA is repeated term. So from RA, RCA is repeated term. Try to get a equation in terms of a repeated one. So why we have to get in terms of repeated one? Because RCA, if I have replaced RCA with in terms of RA, RB, this RA and RB are nothing but your the values from star. Here we are trying to convert from star to delta. It means that by using RA, RB and RC, we have to get RAB, RBC and RCA. So that only we are doing. So try to get equation in terms of repeated terms. Next, and here we are doing for getting delta resistances, we are doing 2 times division, 5 by 6 and 5 by 7. By doing 5 by 7, we got the equation. We got the equation for RAB. We got the equation for RAB. So by doing 5 by 6, we got RCA and RAB. So what you have to do is, this RCA is nothing but repeated term in RA and repeated term in RAF, that is the fifth equation. So substitute this 9 and 11. What is this 9? 9 is nothing but your RCA. 9 is nothing but your RCA and 11 is nothing but your RAB. Substitute this RCA, RAB in 5. What is 5? 5 is nothing but your RA. RA is equal to RAB into RCA by RAB plus RBC plus RCA. So substitute this RCA, that is 9th equation here and 11th equation here, in the place of RAB also, in the place of here also RCA, same term. So now you will get in terms of equation in terms of RA, RB, RC, that for RBC. So by substituting this 9 and 11 in 5, you will get a equation for RBC. What is that RBC? RBC is nothing but that is a branch of delta. That is a branch of delta. So by doing 5 by 6, 5 by 7, you are getting equation, 2 equations. By substituting RAB and RCA in terms of RA, you are getting the value of RBC. Similarly, this is RA. This A is nothing but, let us consider, this is your RA. This is 5th equation. RA and 5th equation. This is your 6th equation. This is your 7th equation. What we are doing? 5 by 6, 5 by 7. 5 by 6, 5 by 7, you are getting this RCA and RAB. And by substituting, you are getting this RBC. And 6 by 5 and 6 by 7. 6 by 5 and 6 by 7. By doing 6 by 5 and 6 by 7, you will get RAB and RBC. In terms of RAB and RBC are repeated in equation number 6. By substituting obtained equation in 6, you will get the value for the equation for RCA. Similarly, by doing 7 by 5 and 7 by 6. 7 by 5 and 7 by 6. In 7 by 5 and 7 by 6, in 7, the repeated term is RCA and RBC. By doing 7 by 5 and 7 by 6, you will get 2 equations similar to your 9 and 11. By substituting in 7, you will get equation for RAB. So like this you have to do star to delta transformation. Nothing there is, just do some, with patience, just do the derivations. And now it is a conclusion point for star to delta. Easy way to remember star to delta transformation. So if I want to get star to delta transformation, So this is your star. I want to get delta. For example, so this is your star. This is your star, and this is your RA, and this is your RB, and this is your RC. So after doing those divisions and multiplications, so this is your star. Like this also you can draw. This is a delta, and this is a delta. So this is how we got this line, by connecting this A and B. By connecting this, let us consider this is A and this is B and this is C. That is, by connecting RA and RB, you got this branch. So let us write this is RAB. So what will be the RAB? So RAB is equal to by connecting these two branches, you got this RAB na? So right here, first add this individual branches RA plus RB, then take multiplication of RA, RB and divide this product, and for this RAB, what is the opposite resistance in star? So this is your opposite resistance. So divide with RC. So this is the equation for RAB. Similarly, if I want to find for RBC. So is this RBC? Yes, absolutely. This is RBC. So how you got this RBC? So by connecting this RC, C point and B point, that is RC and RB. So right here RC plus RB plus RB RC by, for RBC, what is the opposite resistance in star? This is your opposite resistance. So just divide with RA. Similarly, the last step is RCA. If I want to get RCA, RCA is equal to, this is your RCA. So how you got this RCA? By connecting this RC and RA. So this is your connection. So right here RC plus RA plus RC into RA by, for this RCA, what is the opposite? RB. So this is a way to write equation for star to delta connection. And let us have, if this RA is, so let us have a conclusion. So similar to your delta, let us make a conclusion. If this is 2 ohms, let us consider this is 3 ohms. 3 ohms and 3 ohms and 3 ohms. I want to find a delta. I want to find a delta. So what is, how to find delta? This is a branch obtained by doing, connecting this RA, this RB, and this is your RC. So 3 into, that is RAB is equal to, how will get RAB? RAB is equal to 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 into 3 by opposite, for RAB opposite is 3. So just simplify it. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 by 3 is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 by 3 is 3. So how much you are getting? 9. So similarly, doing For this one also you will get 9. For this one also you will get 9. So from this we can conclude that if the given star is balanced star, if the given star is balanced star, it is nothing but if they are having equal resistances, if they are having equal resistances, in the previous case we have considered 3 3 3. How much you got? 9 9 9. It means that it is multiplied with 3. So the delta becomes, the obtained delta is having a resistance is 3R, and here also you will get 3R. So here also you will get 3R. So in star to delta, if it is of R, then for delta it is 3 times of R. So this is for star and this is for delta. So this is a conclusion relation between your star and delta. So let us meet in the next class.